Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit mobile navigation on Squarespace. This is a crucial skill for anyone managing a website, as mobile navigation directly impacts how visitors experience and interact with your site on their phones and tablets. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start by heading over to squarespace.com and logging into your account. Once you've entered your credentials, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see all the websites connected to your account. From here, simply click on the website where you want to edit the mobile navigation. This will take you into that specific site's management area. Once you're in, look to the upper right corner of your screen and click on Edit Site. This button is your gateway to making any design or structural changes to your website. After clicking it, you'll see the Edit button appear, so go ahead and click that as well to enter the full editing interface. Now, on the upper right corner, you'll notice two icons, one for desktop view and one for mobile view. Click on the mobile icon to switch your preview to mobile view. This is essential because it allows you to see exactly how your navigation will appear to visitors using smartphones or tablets, and you can make adjustments specifically for that experience. With mobile view active, navigate to your site's header area and click on Edit Site Header. This opens up the options for customizing how your header and navigation look and function on mobile devices. Once you're in, click on Edit Design. This is where the real customization begins. In the design settings, you'll see several options to personalize your mobile navigation. You can change the layout to match your brand style, and you can also add effects like drop shadow to give your navigation a more polished, dimensional look. If you want to add or adjust a border, simply click on the border option. Here, you can edit the color, thickness, and position of the border, giving you full control over how defined or subtle your navigation appears. After making those changes, go back to the main design menu. You'll notice an option to enable fixed position. Turning this on means your navigation will stay visible at the top of the screen as users scroll, which can significantly improve usability. You can also adjust the size of your navigation to make it more or less prominent depending on your design preferences. Next, head over to the Color tab. Here you have three main options: solid, gradient, and adaptive. Solid gives you one consistent color, gradient allows for a smooth transition between two colors, and adaptive automatically adjusts the navigation color based on the content behind it. Choose the one that best fits your site's aesthetic. Now go back to the main navigation settings and click on View menu. This takes you into the menu structure itself. Click on Edit Design again, and here you can fine-tune the alignment and link spacing of your menu items. Proper spacing ensures your menu is easy to read and tap on mobile devices, which is crucial for a good user experience. In the Color tab within the menu settings, you can choose a color theme specifically for your menu text and background. This helps your menu stand out or blend in depending on your design goals. Once you're happy with all your changes, click Save. Your mobile navigation is now customized and optimized for visitors using mobile devices. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.